Hi everyone, it's Kieran here at Magical Traveller. Hope you're having a great day. Today I've got something really special to share with you. Me and Phil are on board the amazing Avalon Envision, and I just wanted to have a show you around one of the rooms on board. This is one of the panoramic suites, which is really cool. The ship is majority made up of these suites, so the vast majority of the suites you'll find on board are going to be these amazing panoramic suites, and they do offer something really special. So let's go have a little look around. So as soon as you walk in the door, I'll show you the cupboards in a second, but this is kind of the main space you've got. Now, the really cool, unique selling feature, and sorry again, as per usual, we do sleep in these rooms before we film them, so we don't like to show them kind of, brand spanking new and set up by housekeeping. We like to kind of sleep in them and then show you what it's like to actually use the room. We have tidied up a little bit because we've been in for 5 nights, so I thought I'd just show you kind of what this looks like now anyway. So you've got this gorgeous double bed. It can be configured into a twin if you did want to share with somebody. And then again, the great thing about it is, and I'll open that window up in a minute, but you can just see your bed does face outside those amazing river views, which is kind of the main thing you're going for when you book a river cruise, is to really enjoy that scenic cruising and making the most of the space that you have on board here. Now, if I go to the left, then here you've got then these drawers with plenty of storage space. And then you've also then got your minibar here. Now there is a tariff, the minibar is chargeable, but there is a minibar here as well, which is fully stocked, and you can stock it with your own items as well if you would like to. But that's really cool. And again, beautiful real orchids as well, so really nice fresh flower touches in your rooms. And then an ice bucket as well. Then if you did want to help yourself to ice and have a drink in your room, you can totally do that as well. Plenty of power sockets. They are European plug sockets, so keep that in mind with your adapters, but you do have 2 USB ports here as well for charging smart devices, iPhones, things like that. And then you've got this really big aircon vent, which does a really great job of cooling the room down. And again, then 2 more European plugs on that side there. Then you've got the sofa unit, which is really comfortable. Again, really great, paired with this table, which the height is adjustable. So that little lever there, you can see you can adjust the height. So you can have it as a coffee table or as a higher dining table if you wanted to. And again, you've got water. There's usually 2 glasses there, but we've taken it out because we've been using it today. So there's usually 2 glasses there, and water. And the water is replenishable. Just ask for it or go do it yourself. And the 2 lounges available. And again, an armchair there as well, then for sitting and watching the world go by. Got a TV unit. Now the TV is really cool. It does have on demand, so you can watch kind of the latest blockbuster films on demand, TV series, things like that. But you've also got live TV as well. You can also see things like the ship's itinerary for the day and all those kind of cool things. You can see all that on that TV as well. And it's all controllable with a remote control from your bed. Then taking the bed as well, then you've got 2 bedside units either side, with again plenty of storage options there if you wanted to on the side. Phone if you need to then contact anybody, kind of front desk, things like that. And then again, you've got kind of your light switch to control the lights in the room, and then you've then got your European plug socket this side as well. And then you've got your side reading light if you wanted it, as well as the bedside light, and again they're controllable locally on the actual fixture itself. So plenty of lighting options as well. The lighting's really good. You can kind of make it as romantic as you want or as ambient as you want, get as much space as you need. It's really cool for that. And then on this side, then again, you've got those 2 USB sockets, and again with another bedside unit. So then just heading back then to the room door, which is there, you've then got plenty of storage space. So this first unit, you'll find then your kind of usual storage with room for a safe. And then that will be where your bathrobes are and your slippers, and then your laundry service. Now there is a laundry service. This was out on the table when we first checked in, as well as room service, but we've not bothered using it, but that's how you would order it. Put your card on the door, put this card on the door, with what you'd like, and then they'll bring it to you in the morning. And then some blankets as well, so if it does get cold, particularly if you're sailing in the kind of winter season or the spring season, you've got the option then to wrap up in blankets or take them onto the sun deck if you wanted to. Full length mirror, so you can check your outfit out in the door as well. But again, on the topic of mirrors, you're not going to struggle for mirrors in this room. Like honestly, full length mirrors, which does a great job of making the room feel bigger than it is. But this room is incredibly big. Like, there you've got this little desk table, sofa area, armchair, double bed, plenty of space, and again with those amazing views. And then again, double wardrobe here as well then. So shelf at the top there, plenty of hangers, plenty of space then for clothes. And then on the topic of suitcases, there's obviously space then under the bed, so you can just slide your suitcases into the bed once you've unpacked, so they are out of the way. And then taking you to, now I'm obsessed with bathrooms on cruise ships or riverboats, because they're just, Everyone does them differently, but this one does not disappoint in the slightest. Like, look how gorgeous this is with that marble finish, tile. Again, this gorgeous aftershave or perfume in the room as well, so the bathroom always smells really fresh and fragrant. But again, then if you actually look at the amenities you also get then L'Occitane toiletries, which again smell gorgeous. You've got your hand soap and then your body lotion. Really nice details, really great features. Well, look how big, look how big this mirror is as well for getting ready in. And a little shelf then to put things on. It comes with a little basic amenities kit or a vanity kit if you need it. And then again then, nice wash basin. You then also have a vanity mirror as well, so if you do want to kind of, do those finer touches, you do have the option to do that as well. And then as for the actual bath itself, shower unit itself, again, really generous space, really lovely shower unit. And then just going back as well, you do also have, again, those L'Occitane products, which again, smell gorgeous. Really lovely to have. So then just to end very briefly, I'm going to take you to the highlight of obviously the panoramic suite and what gives it its namesake. So just tease you now, if I just bring this net, which goes again room to room, so it goes the whole length, you've got this gorgeous net. So you've got then, if you wanted to, floor to ceiling windows. As I say, from that bed, floor to ceiling windows, you'd be laying in bed in the mornings, having breakfast in bed if you wanted to, watching the world go by. But the best part as well, this does then slide all the way across. So 2/3 of the window opens up. So then you have complete unrestricted access then to those amazing river views. Which honestly guys, how incredible is that? So we're currently sailing on the Danube. We're sailing up it from Budapest to Dagendorf. We're just on our last stretch now. But again, you have amazing scenic views no matter where you are. Every port we've gone to has been beautiful. This is the view you have every morning. Not this view, but you know what I mean. You have these amazing river views every morning. It's been incredible. It is absolutely incredible. So there you are guys. I'm just going to leave you with that then. Hope you're all having an amazing day. Thanks for watching along. As I mentioned previously in other videos, if you are thinking of taking an ocean cruise or a river cruise, definitely get in touch with us. We are cruise specialists. We would love to help you plan your next holiday. We've specialized in kind of ocean. So yeah, definitely don't be afraid to reach out to us, have a chat to us. We would love to help you find the right river so you can pick which river to sail, but also which river ship to sail as well. But obviously if you are interested in booking an Avalon cruise, we would definitely love to have a chat to you. All the best guys, and I will speak to you soon. Take care.